going on?
I didn't know you had a rooster.
Neither did I.
Well, a rooster reminds me of eggs, and eggs mean breakfast. Come on!
For the record, Stephanie, roosters don't lay eggs.
Morning, girls. Who's hungry?
Me!
I bet you worked up a big appetite with all that noise you were making last night.
Dad, a sleepover is supposed to have lots of squealing and giggling. That's the best part.
The squealing and giggling was very cute. The noisy part was the snoring.
Snoring?
I didn't hear any snoring.
Me neither. The only thing I heard was that rooster.
Well, maybe the rooster was actually one of you girls snoring.
What?
Well, you do make all those weird sounds for your vocal exercises.
Those weird sounds help me sing, not snore. If anyone here snores, it's...
Don't look at me. I've never snored a day in my life.
Just because it isn't scheduled in your phone doesn't mean you don't do it.
You do have the loudest voice.
Olivia's voice is just as loud as mine, maybe louder.
Snoring is a low-level sound wave that travels. So since I didn't hear anything, that means it was the person furthest away from me. Well, Mia has the flattest pillow. Everyone knows a flat pillow makes it hard to breathe.
I like a flat pillow, but for the record, I don't snore. Ever.
Well, it had to be someone. Nope,
Not me.
I know. I got this new surveillance gear for my birthday, and I've been wanting to test it out. We can have another sleepover tonight and record ourselves while we sleep. Then we'll have proof.
Okay, I guess. Exercise will open my lungs.
A fluffier pillow will for sure keep me from snoring.
I am not going to be the one who snores. Peppermint clears the airways.
It's nature's law that singers don't snore. Fa-la-la.
Moisture in the air will prevent snoring. And a little piece of invisible tape on my nose. Okay, we're all set. Sweet dreams. Okay, now we out the snorer. That's definitely Andrea.
Me? But that sounds like Emma.
Well, statistically speaking, everyone snores at least once in their lifetime. Oops, I accidentally deleted it.
Oh, that's too bad.
Yeah, gee, what a shame. Hey, let's go have a breakfast picnic and forget all about snoring.
And let's never talk about this ever again.
Yep,
Absolutely.
sounds good.
Honey, you want to hear something funny?